Good morning to all. It is a matter of great pride and privilege to welcome you all in this 1 week online national workshop on environmental and ecological perspectives in current scenario. I am very much thankful to all participants for their enthusiastic support and overwhelming responses from all over India to this workshop. Once again, I welcome all respected participants and the resource persons for this workshop: Dr. N.L. Kadam, Professor H.N. Gavde, Mr. Baibek Bhuyan, Dr. V.V. Zadav, Dr. S.M. Shendge, and Dr. Ganesh Pathak. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the faculty members of the Department of Chemistry and Commerce and Management that they have organized this wonderful activity in this COVID-19 pandemic. As we all are aware that the government of India decided to extend the lockdown period to fight against COVID-19. This lockdown is very unproductive to teachers and academic fraternity, as we are facing various problems to connect with our students. Considering this fact, both the departments thought over to convert this unproductive lockdown into academically productive and joyful by organizing such interdisciplinary 1 week online national workshop on environmental and ecological perspectives in current scenario. It's my honor to introduce the parent institute Rayat Shikshan Sanstha Satara, which is the mother institute of Balwant College Beta. It is one of the leading educational institute in Asia continent. The value of its contribution to education in general is enormously great, as it has from the very beginning tried all its best to lay emphasis on the education of the downtrodden, poor and ignorant, those really form the major bulk of society. The founder of this institution, late Padma Bhushan Dr. Karmavir Bhaurao Patil, was a man of the masses who devoted all his mind and heart to the cause of education. He had an incisive understanding of the socially ill that behest his times and fully realized the dire need of the spread of education. He believed that education alone could correct the social ills such as caste hierarchy, money lending, illiteracy, untouchability, superstitions, and social and economical inequality. Today, the Sanstha has been conducting 42 colleges, 7 training colleges, 438 secondary schools, and 51 primary schools. It also conducts 33 pre-primary schools, 91 cosmopolitan hostels, 8 ashram shalas, and 1 research institute. This institution is working devotedly in about 15 districts of Maharashtra and 1 district in Karnataka. There are total 70,000 employees working in this prestigious and esteemed education institute. The total number of students receiving education are more than 4 lakhs. The above figure speaks of the phenomenal progress and achievement of the Rayat Shikshan Sanstha as dreamed by Padma Bhushan Dr. Karmavir Bhaurao Patil. The Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, along with the People's Cooperation, started Balwant College in 1963, owing to which the higher education has been made available for hundreds of students residing in town Vita and the nearby villages, whose right of higher education was usurped by poverty and thus proved to be a great boon for them. The college has been named after the respected father of greatest son of India, late Yashwantrao Chavan, the then Deputy Prime Minister of India and the first Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The college has been affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. The cumulative result of constant achievements in academics, extracurricular activities, and social performances of the college resulted in receiving re-accreditation status at A level with higher grade points of 3.11 out of 4 by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Bangalore. The college has received funding from various agencies like DST FIST and RUSA. Recently, the college has also received ISO 9001 to 2015 certificate. With this brief introduction, once again I welcome you all and wish you all the best for this interdisciplinary 1 week online national workshop on environmental and ecological perspective in current scenario. Thank you.